Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan on Monday alleged that minorities in India were being targeted by extremist groups and warned that such an agenda is a real and present threat to regional peace. Khan took to Twitter to make the allegations in the wake of the alleged inflammatory and provocative speeches against Muslims at an event in Haridwar in Uttarakhand held in December. On his Twitter handle, Khan also questioned whether the BJP government supports the call for genocide of minorities in India, especially the 200 million Muslim community. It is high time international community take note and act, he further said.